Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth insights on the most efficient and innovative tools for your home. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best food processor for chopping vegetables quickly, the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. This all-in-one kitchen gadget has taken the internet by storm, especially across social platforms like TikTok, thanks to its ability to make meal prep faster, easier, and more fun. Whether you're preparing for a quick salad, a hearty stew, or an entire family feast, this vegetable chopper is engineered to transform your prep time into an effortless task. Let's start with the design. At just 10 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 8 inches tall, the Fullstar Pro Chopper is compact enough for any kitchen counter but packs serious functionality. It features a sleek white body, made of BPA-free materials, and houses stainless steel blades that are rust-resistant and incredibly sharp. These 420-grade blades are built to handle everything from soft tomatoes to hard potatoes, giving you crisp, clean cuts every single time. Setup is easy. Just attach the blade of your choice, place your veggies on the platform, close the top, and push. In one swift motion, your ingredients are chopped and collected into the large 5-cup container below. No more tears while chopping onions, no more mess on your counters. The built-in catch tray ensures everything stays clean and organized. What really sets the Fullstar Pro Chopper apart is its multi-purpose versatility. This isn't just a chopper. It's also a slicer, dicer, and spiralizer, all rolled into one tool. Whether you're spiralizing zucchini noodles for a low-carb dinner, slicing carrots for a stir-fry, or dicing onions for salsa, this tool does it all. It's completely dishwasher safe. Once you're done, simply toss it on the top rack and you're free to relax. The ergonomic soft grip TPU handle gives you total control, and the non-slip rubberized base keeps it stable whether your counter is dry or a bit wet from cooking. It's designed for anyone, whether you're just getting started in the kitchen or you're an experienced chef looking to speed things up. It's part of a growing trend of supporting small businesses. Fullstar, the company behind this innovation, is a small business brand that's managed to gain massive traction for all the right reasons: quality, practicality, and customer-focused design. So whether you're cooking a quick meal after work or prepping for a weekend family gathering, the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper helps cut your prep time in half and doubles your efficiency in the kitchen. No more switching between multiple tools, no more clutter. Just one compact, all-in-one solution that truly earns its title as the best food processor for chopping vegetables quickly. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical reviews on kitchen essentials and home gadgets. Until next time, happy cooking!